Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the slanted blur transition effect in CapCut PC. So tap on your project, select your videos you like to edit, and I'm just going to open my project and already have a video here. And for example, you can select your part you like to edit. Okay, just split, and then you can put effect here, add to effect, select video effect and select opening and then closing, and select the vertical blur here, just add, change for the blur, check mark and make it shorter. So make sure in center between the part. Alright, so give it the instance, put here other effect, just select video effect and select the fading, just for the speed, check mark and for duration, just make it shorter like this. Alright, put here the animation, select animation, in animation and select smoke, check mark, and you can see for the final result like this. So this is the final result you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.